BabyBus.
Bath Squad. Huh? Wow! Hey! Whoa! A rainbow slide! Let's go play! Thanks! Wow!
Hold on tight.
Okay!
Whoa!
Woohoo! That was so fun!
Oh?
I'm super sweaty. Oh no, my hands got dirty too.
Let's go home and wash up.
Yay! Bath Squad, let's go! Watch out for the plane! The plane's broken!
We'll help
you!
Hey! Oh, ha! There it is.
Wow! Thanks! Oh no, I feel itchy all over. Little duck, you got dirty too. Come wash up with me. Okay.
Looks like our bath squad just got a new member.
Ah!
Watch out! Oh?
Huh?
Paint's all over me!
Come wash up with us.
Okay!
Welcome to the bath squad.
Huh? Look, there's something in the mud. Ah! What's that?
Who are you?
I'm Little Hippo.
Whoa! Little Hippo, what happened to you?
I fell into the mud while kicking my ball.
Oh, you need a big wash too.
Come take a bath with us.
Okay.
Bath bombs coming in.
Wow! I want this one. I want this one. 1, 2, 3, drop! Whoa! So many bubbles!
Bath time starts now.
Yay!
Everyone, wash up nice and clean.
Okay! Let's help each other. La 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 la. Wow!
Oh?
Time to rinse!
Oh?
Wow! Yay! We're all clean!
Kids, when you get dirty from playing outside, wash up to get clean.
DoDo's Growing Up Diary. Today my buddies and I formed Bath Squad. Scrub hands, scrub back, scrub head. Now I'm all clean. Yay, so happy!
Germs love to hide in dirty spots and cause trouble. We need to take baths to wash them away. Kids, did you get all clean today? Woof!
Safe at home.
dog at the door.
I'm coming too!
Who is it?
Sir, I'm here for the party.
Ah!
I brought my cousin's daughter, Little Cloud.
Hi, Little Cloud!
Welcome. Come on in.
Papillon, you're still getting ready?
Yeah, it'll take a little longer.
I'll help. But Little Cloud,
I'll play with her.
then I'm counting on you.
No problem. Come on, let's go. Oh no! Little Cloud, careful! Wow! Play! Little Cloud! Watch out! No climbing high! You might fall! I know what to do! Here you go! Little Cloud!
Huh? Watch out!
That was close! Uncle Dobie, let's put safety guards on the table corners.
Great idea.
Little Cloud, let's help too. All done!
Look. The table corners are safer now. But we still have to be careful.
Okay.
Keep playing.
Huh? DoDo, play! Okay. I'll teach you. This is a remote robot. Press here and it moves. Wow! Play! There's an electric monster here. It bites. Don't be scared. Put on the safety cover and the monster can't get out. Here. Hey. Huh? 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 Wow! All done. The electric monster won't get out. Yay! Ball, play! No ball games inside!
Ah!
Oh no!
Careful!
Is everything okay?
Good thing she's not hurt. Little Cloud, if you want to play with the ball, we can play in the yard.
Okay! Wow!
DoDo!
Little Cloud, your turn!
Oh! Wow!
Time to eat! Eat!
Let's go!
Wow! Cheers! bed together, but things almost got dangerous. Good thing everything was okay.
When you play at home, stay safe. Don't climb up on things, watch your steps, don't poke outlets, and don't kick a ball inside. Kids, if you need help while playing, make sure to ask an adult.
Can't sleep tonight.
Good night, kids.
Good night.
Oh? Oh? Oh. Hmm? That's strange.
Roar! Big dino's coming! Roar! Roar!
Hmm? I'll sleep with you two. All set. Time to sleep now. Sleep tight, kiddos. Sleep. What happened?
Something is under the bed!
Oh? Let me check. Don't worry. It's just a toy. Okay, back to sleep. Oh? Little Cloud, what's wrong?
Potty!
Anyone else?
Me! All done! My turn!
Let's go back.
Okay!
This time, we really have to sleep.
Okay!
Sleep, sleep.
I like! Whoa! Cars! Wow!
Ha! I got an idea. Kids, all aboard! Passengers, sit tight. The deep sea train is leaving. Choo-choo!
Let's go! Whoa! Wow! Look! So pretty! Wow! Look! Sea turtles! Where are they going?
They're going home to sleep.
The octopus is sleeping too! Huh? Sleep!
Good night, little ones.
Dodo's Growing Up Diary. Tonight, Little Cloud and I were playing before bed. We were so excited and couldn't fall asleep. Lucky for us, Uncle Labrador stayed with us and helped us find a good way to fall asleep.
Kids, staying calm before bedtime helps our brains slowly power down. Then we can fall asleep faster and have sweet dreams. What do you usually do before going to bed?